Assalamu alaikum little believers. Welcome to the Little Believers Quiz adventure. Are you ready to test your knowledge and earn some good deeds? Let's begin. Which pillar of Islam teaches us to be kind to the poor? Who was the first prophet in Islam? Which prophet was swallowed by a big fish? Which prophet had an army of birds, ants, and jinn? What is the name of the city where the Kaaba is? When do Muslims break their fast in Ramadan? Which foot should we use to enter the mosque? Which animal did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam love a lot? What should we do before praying Salah? What is the biggest reward a Muslim can get? Thank you very much for watching. Keep learning about Islam, be kind, and always remember Allah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Little Believer Club.